Force and Laws of Motion, Part 5, Linear Momentum. According to Newton, the force required to change the state of motion of a body depends on a quantity called linear momentum. Let's try to understand the following experiment. Consider two different bodies, two different cars in particular, one moving at a very high velocity and the other at rest. If you would like to stop these two cars, force should be required to stop a moving car, and there is no force required to stop a car at rest, which means force required is greater in case of a moving car compared to a car which is at rest. And in the other case, consider two different balls, a tennis ball and a cricket ball, moving at the same velocity. In this case, if you would like to stop the balls, the force required to stop a tennis ball is quite less compared to the force required to stop a cricket ball, because the cricket ball is heavier. Hence, force required is greater in the case of the heavier ball. Understanding these two observations, force required depends on the momentum of the body according to Newton. And what is this momentum of the body? Momentum, or in particular linear momentum for the bodies moving in a straight line, is a physical quantity possessed by any moving body, and mathematically it is equal to mass of the body, which is the inertial mass of the body, multiplied by its velocity. And this momentum is considered to be a measure of motion of a body. In the case of cars, the car which is moving has got greater momentum, and the car which is at rest has got zero momentum, because momentum is directly proportional to velocity of the body. In the case of moving balls, momentum is greater in the case of heavier ball because of its high mass compared to a ball which is lighter. And in the case of bodies with same momentum, it's not necessary that the body should have same mass and should have same velocity. If two different bodies with different inertial masses has got same momentum, which means the product of mass and velocity should be same. m1 v1 must be equal to m2 v2.